Let's go, boys. 18 with an attitude. Okay. I think we're gonna roll over to Kentucky. We might be in top 5 this year, dude. If we keep playing like we're playing. Oh, fuck, I should have got some water. We get some hot cheerleaders. That's the next goal. Let's go, boys. Cloud's going to continue his reign. He's going to be a freshman that wins this award. Oh. I like to get Kern in running too. I feel like I could do that. I mean, Kern's having a nice little season. Oh, get there. Fuck yeah. Dude, 88's nasty, dude. I can get him like 2 or 3 touchdowns like that a game. What are we doing? Dude, no, we're running the ball. Oh, this is going to be a play. This is going to be a fucking flag. Oh, dude. Fucking killing me, dog. Maybe this is the pass game. This is honeycut. Oh boy. Thought he would be able to run under it. Judges. Oh, that's a tutty. That's a tutty. Maybe this is Kern's breakout game. Cloud's got to get 100 yards rushing a game, though. Okay. I don't think that's going to be very hard to do against Kentucky. Chalupa. Oh, 64. Bro, he was right in front of you. That would have been a huge gain. Maybe a couple blocking tight ends. Get him fucked up. Oh, he's got 35 yards rushing already. Oh, he's shifty. That boy is shifts. That's the quarter. Oh, 89 yards. 89 receiving yards and 1 touchdown. Get him a nice little 200-yard game today, I think. Ugly cheerleaders. Rainbow Warriors. The ugly students, too. We need to get some better-looking people in Hawaii. It's crazy. Like, you don't have to be smart. Just come to Hawaii. Be attractive. Nice. Yeah, we're fucking killing it. We're going to rush for 3,000 yards. Nice. No holding. Good. That's fine. Someone's got to get open on this play. Oh, we caught. Yeah. Good Lord. This is the current game. This is the current game. Oh, 87. I forgot all about you, bro. We got to get you going, too. I want to try to get you drafted. $63 yards. 100 yards a game is not impressive. Try to get 150 maybe. And bulking up, 65 yards rushing. Oh, we got that. Nice. 2 tutties. Wow, blowing out Kentucky. Oh. I love it. Oh, come on. No safeties. These receivers, someone's got to get open. Get it, baby. Get it, baby. There you go. All right. Start running the ball a little bit. Oh, here we go. Nice block, 82. Nice block. 96 yards. Fucking 73 is not that great of a guard. Need someone to wake up. Oh, 88. Time to see if we can get you a big-ass game. Oh, thank God that was a ref. Honeycut, honeycut. Oh, nice. Oh, fuck. 55 is a fast motherfucker. That was worth it. It was worth a shot. Damn, dude. He was open for a minute. $106, baby. 106. Alejandro, my boy, Chalupa. No press. I ran into my own guys. It's on me. Oh. Why? Why would you go to the guy on the outside? I don't understand this blocking system that we have. Why? Oh, wow. We could have blocked that a lot better. We could have blocked that a lot better, guys. Little kitty eating. Scared me a little bit. No safety help. Get there. Get there. Get there. Good job. Yeah, I think I can make Curran. I think Curran's gonna be close to the Heisman. At least he's gonna get a nomination. Just gotta build around these two. Build around these two boys. We're gonna win a lot of games with these two. Oh, come on. Someone throw a block. Throw a block one time. Do a stretch play. I don't know. Block. I think Alejandro might be on his way out. He always get back up. Honeycomb. See if we can get Honeycomb a touchdown on this drive. Ooh! We almost made it. He almost got that. Get in there, boys. He's definitely got to win the Heisman. As he should. We gave up a touchdown. It's okay. Damn. Get in there. Get in there, boys. Nice blocking. Nice block. Oh, boy. That's good. Chasing clouds. My boy Cloud. Alejandro. 24 yards rushing. Not great. Oh, with Cloud's back. Get under it. Get under it. Attaboy. Just rub it in, boys. Damn, you guys don't want to fucking... Yeah, he's got to be over 200 now. Yeah. It's that one home run a game. He hits one home run a game. Oh. Too much. Count this, man. Oh. Oh, fuck. Yeah, that's on me. Maybe pressure right up the middle. Dude, we're winning. We're winning good. Let's go, boys. Win another 10 games this year. Get 2 or 3, 4 star prospects. We'll be all right. He's having a year. Damn, bro, we're killing it. Rank 8. Wow, we only went up 1. Damn. Mm, 1, 1. Did we lose anybody? Yep. Did we lose our top 2? Oh, yeah. I really would love this kid too. We'll see. We'll see. Let's see if we got any athletes. All right. Let's play this game real quick. 87 overall, North Carolina State. Good. Once we get past this, I think we're golden. I think we're all I don't think we play anymore buddy that's ranked. We'll see. Yeah, I think we got something going on here, guys. I think we got something going on here. Oh, we dropped it. Damn. You're gonna press my guys. You're gonna press. Hit that too quick. Hit that too quick. Thank you for pressing my guys again. Oh, nice play. Oh, we fucking scored a touchdown? 4th and 4. Oh no. Oh, thank you, defense. All right, let's go back to Cloud. Oh my God. If he could just get to the outside. I see y'all, huh? I see you, Chalupa. Throw a block. I love it. Oh. Dude, you gotta throw a block there, dude. That was a fucking... That was gonna be a play. Get there. Get there. Oh. Fuck. Get there. Here we go. Nice. The natural. I like that. Oh, Alejandro. I just don't see it anymore, Alejandro. I think Cloud is just a better. Get that touchdown. There you go. Kerr's got a little bit of legs to him. Got a little bit of legs. Oh, wow. 55 might need to be replaced. It's kind of ruining my ability to do anything. Oh. I should have dumped it to B. Should have dumped it to B. Get there. All right, guys. Ooh, I feel like this could be a wide open touchdown to my boy 88. If I can get there. Oh, he could not break one tackle. All right, boys. Feel bad, 87. I really don't throw to 87 anymore. Oh, man. Damn, they've kept him in check. Alejandro's back. Fuck. Can't get away. Why are the coaches just giving me 3 plays? Like, this whole playbook, I get suggested the same 4 plays over and over and over again. Let's see if we can't get a Bellamy touchdown. Maybe not the correct decision. Nope. 5 sacks. All right, Cloud. Time to just take this game over, my friend. Take this game well over. Get my yards with my quarterback in a minute. Oh, wow. Come on. Guys. Oh, shit. Need to get Honeycutt some catches too. I feel like that motherfucker don't get any catches. Give you 1 or 2. Oh, nice. Oh, that's it. Get that. Get that. Did they get a touchdown? They did. Fuck, they're doing well. Oh no. Damn. I mean, we got some fucking time. Uh-oh. Damn. I could throw it up there. Oh, shoot your shot sometimes. Let's go, boys. Oh boy, here we go. Honeycutt. Get me up there. Beam me up, Honeycutt. You versus a fucking safety? Fuck. Man. Man, we are getting. This is gonna be a close game. He's got legs. Oh boy. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh. The luck has changed. Oh no. Oh fuck. I fucked up on that. Fucking Stoner, dude. Oh, fucking Hines is here too. Get there, Stoner. Get there, Stoner. Okay. Really, Stoner isn't what I thought Stoner was gonna be. Okay. Let's just run this ball out. Let's not lose this game because we're fucking cocky. I'm gonna beat every team by 50 points. 73, nice play, nice play. Fuck. Okay, Cloud, get in there, Cloud. You don't need to be fucking splitting reps with him anymore. Okay, face mask, it's fine. No, this is a bad game for you. Well, you're one run away from making it a good game. 53 yards is not a bad game. Oh, shit. Alright. Oh, man, that's a... the holes that Chalupa get. Give like half of those to fucking Cloud, and he's got like 5,000 yards rushing. Nice fucking play there, my guy. My guy. Nice block. Oh my god, Alejandro. Not what I want, not what I want. Not what I want, Alejandro. I love you as a person, but I would love Cloud on every fucking run now. Cloud's the dude. Cloud's that dude. Oh my god, what an ugly guy. Ugly. Like ugly cheerleaders. Like, why do we have ugly cheerleaders? Ugly fucking students too. Jeez Louise. I'll get you your touchdown. Now we feast, boys. Now we eat. $89 yards. Get your 92 yards. Ah, I chose the wrong lane. I chose the wrong lane. Let's take one. Let's take a shot. Honeycutt is Davante Adams. I've decided that. $105. 105 is not a bad day. Just not his day. Like, he's like 150 plus every game. Oh, he might get that. If I could hit that hole a little harder. Oh, nice. Well, eventually they're going to start run blitzing. Chalupa. Give me a touchdown here, Honeycutt. Fuck. Go for it. Defense, we got to do it every once in a while, man. He's got to get a touchdown every game, too. Yeah. No way. He caught that? Okay. Let's just hand it to fucking Cloud and call it a day. Oh man, you make that one tackle. You may break that one tackle. Let's say touchdown. (42 to 28). They put up a fight. Oh wow. They got the ball there. Nice. I want to rebuild this defense. Probably gonna lose a lot of guys after this year. Player of the week, Kearney boy. All right. Oh yeah. Oh shit. I like that. That sucks. All right. Wonder if I have time for one more game before my phone dies. Probably not. Recruiting. We're definitely gonna fucking win the Heisman with our boy. Damn. Two touchdowns is not bad. He's already got 1,000 yards. Alejandro Chalupa's got 700, 500, 300. Very interesting. Let's see if we can just get this game out of the way. Number 8 versus number 6. Hawaii. We're gonna get an invitation to the playoffs. We might actually win a game or two. Hopefully we do the playoffs next week. Here we go. Cloud, you have a big game right here. Oh boy. Get that first down. There was no big runs last game. I was a little shocked. Top 10 team, you gotta, if you have a fucking 300 yard game against them. That pretty much locks up your Heisman. Oh, baby. Oh! Oh! Oh, he's going to stop that play. Oh, that was the home run. That was the home run. That was the home run. Oh, I missed the extra point? Fuck. Ugly cheerleaders. And now he's Asian. Blasian. He's a Blasian man. Golly. Come on. Got some ugly ass students in my team. Oh, I'm gonna throw you this touchdown pass. Go deep. Oh, damn, you're both there. Was not thinking you were gonna react to that. Thought that was gonna be, he was gonna sneak in. Oh, why didn't you take the other guy, dude? Take that guy, go cut to the outside. That's a touchdown. Oh, fucking Alejandro. Alright, Alejandro. Nice little change of pace. Get it. Get it. Get it. Good. Bombs away. Turn Curran into a nice little fucking starter. Bombs away, man. Bombs a fucking way. Oh, nice. One guy to beat, man. You need to learn how to start beating those guys. Get that. Oh, get that. All right, boys, let's just run this clock. Oh, nice. I definitely thought you were going to be caught in the backfield. Get that. Ooh, that's touch. That it's, oh. That was a tutty and a half, dude. Fuck. Give it to him. 80 yards already. I like this play. My little boy. My little boy. Oh. Oh, man. He had that. No, we're going to go for it. I'm not afraid of West Virginia. West Virginia don't scare me. Wide open. Nice. Give him some weapons, man. Give him some fucking weapons. Get under that. There you go. Don't get caught. Dude, he's got some. Dude, Curran's, why isn't Curran the Heisman? He's having a great year so far. Oh, wow. Yeah, that was bad. Bad throw. Bad throw. Get that. It's like 4 touchdowns for him today. Alright, let's just run this ball. My phones are gonna die. Oh, my phones are gonna die. Damn. I feel like they're starting to like hone in on what I do with him, and they're not letting me do what I want to do. There you go. He's still having like a fucking 100 yards a game. He's gonna be a first round pick for sure. Hundred and 5 yards. Could you guys just give me some basic running plays? Yeah, let's blow out West Virginia, baby. I almost was West Virginia. I'd like to be a West Virginia one day. I think West Virginia. I love West Virginia. Very pro West Virginia. West Virginia. I don't know what conference West Virginia's in though. Come on, boys. Just give it to them. Number 6 versus number 8. I'm ready. I'm ready for Michigan. Michigan's beat my ass the last 2-3 years of my career. I'm ready for them. I got the weapons now. Got it. Good job. They give Chalupa a lot bigger lanes than they do Cloud. $134, not bad. Get that. Nice job. Honeycutt. Yeah, just run this clock out. Nice job. 2 field goals for my defense. That's not bad. God, it's only the 3rd quarter. Whew. Damn, 64. Hold that a little longer, man. 141. Nice. Go deep. Go deep, Honeycutt. Oh, I thought he caught that. Oh, shit. All right. Oh, it was mine. Damn, 3 field goals. You guys are doing great. Doing great, guys. Oh, this is going to be the last video for a little bit. Oh. Alright, guys. 143 a game. It's not bad. $155. I think I can get 200 again. Ugly. Ugly. We are number 6. We're right below Michigan. Oh my god, ugly. Do we go to West Virginia? Like the teeth in this. It's all right. Heisman. 2 Heisman back to back. Got the receiver. We got the running back. Too bad the receiver didn't stay. That would have been nice. Probably got him drafted this year if he was on this team. Nice 6-1 record. Nice. 6 tutties, no interceptions. I'll take that. We fixed our current problem. Alejandro is no longer an issue as well. That helps. Get it. Get it. There you go. I can run this ball. Should be close to 200. 176. Watch now. Fucking. I don't know. He stayed in. I thought Alejandro was going to be in. Go deep. Go deep. Oh, wow. Terrible. $197. 192, sorry. Oh, that's a tutty. The ref got me. Oh. Damn, they gave me a touchy on that. Come on. Before my phone dies. Alright, well, I'm going to call this a game. We're good.